day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to continue from where I stopped in my last video. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a stunning book cover for your ebook. How can you design a book cover for your ebook? That is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. In our last video, we've been able to create a flyer, and I'm sure by now you already have the idea of how you can also create a flyer for anything that you are doing. So in this video, we want to talk about how to create a book. If you want to create a book, probably you have an ebook that you want to create a book cover for, or you want to go into Amazon KDP, you just finished writing your complete ebook and you don't know how to design a book cover for your book. Now, the first thing you need to take note while creating your book cover, it's very, very simple. Go to your Canva and type. Let's say, for example, you are writing a cookbook. Just put a cookbook cover. Just put it here. You are going to see different templates of cookbook on Canva that you can easily customize, and then you use it to get your own book. Everything is available for you to do here. So now let's now assume you don't want to pick from this particular template. You want to create it from scratch for yourself, depending on the type of book that you are writing. Let's say you are writing business book cover. Let's say your book is about business. Just put it here, business book cover. They are going to give you a lot of templates depending on anything you are doing. So now let's assume that you want to design it from scratch. How do you go about it by yourself? I'm going to be showing you how to design it from scratch so that you can also understand how to go about it. So now for you to design it is very simple. Then let's say you don't want to choose from this one. You want to create it by yourself. You click on the create. If you are using a smartphone, you can easily see this plus sign anywhere around the middle side here. So you click on the create. Once you click on create, you want to create it from scratch by yourself. So then let's say book cover. So you can see the template here, then you can just open the template. Once you open the template like this, I'm going to be creating a simple template, and in this video, I'm also going to be showing you where you can get free videos that you can, free pictures rather, that you can also use to create your ebook. So I'm going to be creating an ebook for this particular tutorial so that you can have the full understanding of how you can also create your own. I'm going to be giving you two websites where you can get free images that you can use for creating your ebook. The first one is the freepik.com. Then the other one is the pixabay.com. These two websites, this is what we are going to be using to get our free images that we are going to be using to create this our book that we are about to create. So for us to create an ebook, after you are done putting your page number, after you are done putting the size of the type of book that you are creating, how do you put the size of the book that you are creating? Let me go back and show you that one very well. So if you want to put the size, instead of you just picking the template here directly, probably if you have gotten the size from Bookout, for those that are into Amazon KDP, how do you input the size? You come to this custom size, then you put in the width and you put in the height. Do you get that now? So once you have put in the width and the height, then you can now click on create the size. So let me say I want to create a book of 8.5 by what? By 11. Maybe I'm writing for Amazon. Then you change this one to what? Inches. Once you change it to inches, then did you see that now? So 8.5 by 11, 8 by 11 rather, then you change it to inches. Did you see that now? Then you click on your create design. So once you click on your create design, I'm going to be creating an ebook for this particular one so that you can understand. So the first thing you want to do, now that you already got your size, the first thing you want to do is very, very simple. You go to your element. Once you get to your element, you click on this shape, square. Then what do you want to do to it? You use it to fill up that particular white space. So I'm going to be filling up this one. So you can see me fill up this one now. So after you are done filling it, you change it to the color that you want to change it to. So for me, I'm going to be using different color apart from this color for my ebook because I'm going to be creating, what do we call it? A cookbook. So let me say butter color. So I want to use something lighter. Let me use just simple color that is a let me use this like cream color. So that is what I want to use. So you can see this now. This is it. Then the next thing I want to do is to put in a text. So you go to text. Then once you get to this text, you can change it to title. This text mode can be in heading. So I want to use heading. Then this place now, you drag this one up. Then what do we need to do? You put in the name of or the title of your book. Let me just put in keto diet cook book. So as you can see, just customize it, just make it bigger, bolder, depending on the what do you want to use. If you want to use your font, you change your font to any font that you like. So let me just pick any font. I like a bold font that is very big. So let me just use something like this for my book. as you can see. Then if you want to change the color, let me delete this one away from here. You delete this one. Now, if you want to change the color of this one now, you can easily click on this A plus sign and then you change the color. So I want to use something like brown. So I want to use something like brown color. I want to use something like brown color. So you can see. Then after I'm done with this, so let me just look of one creativity, because when you're designing, you remember my first when you're designing, you remember my first video that I said that graphic designing requires you to be creative, irrespective of anything you are doing. You can easily customize a template, but if you are doing it with your head, you need to be very creative in what you are doing. So let me just be creative, and then I want to create something meaningful with this. Let me just say circle. Let me say circle. Then let me just put this one a little bit here. So let me change the color. Let me say lemon. So let me put this one here like this. So I need a book. I need a food rather that I can put in the middle. How do I get the free images that I can use? So I'm coming. You are going to see what I'm doing at the end of this. Now, let me go to this particular, or let me go to this one and then type keto food. So I can easily check it from this other one as well. So I can easily pick from anyone that I want. Let me say keto food. Let me check the one that has loaded time so that I can pick one. Let me click on search here. So this one is still loading. You can see there are different food here that you can easily choose. But I need a food that is inside a plate. Aha, something like this. That is what I'm looking for. So let me check this website. The network is bad here. So let me just look for a food that is inside a plate. Or let me just say food inside a round plate. Then you send it. So they can easily give you anything you want. Just type it there. Going to give you something that is going to be what you want to see. So yeah, now once you get to the website, you can just type keto diet. So click on keto diet and search here, and also here again, I can also click on keto diet and search. So let's see, you can see we have a lot of keto diet food here that we can actually use. So I'm going to download one of it to use in my book. So let me just download this simple one here. So let me download that one. Okay, so let me download it here. This network is slow for this one. Let me just quickly check this one. As you can see, we have a lot of. I think I like this one much more better than the other one. So let me just download one from this one. I think this one is going to be okay for what I wanted to design. Aha. So let me just pick up this one. So let me download this one. Okay, it's already downloading here. So once it is downloading, I go back to my design here. So once I get back to my design here, let me just continue to do the design before this thing is done downloading. So let me put circle here again. And then this time around, I'm going to be letting the circle to be a little bit smaller. So let me just let the circle to be a little bit smaller here. And then let me just put two circles, small ones again here. You just have to be creative when you are designing anything. So if you don't want to go through the stress of you designing it yourself, you can easily just customize anything that just go to that place I showed you earlier and you customize. Then this one, I duplicate this one. Then let me just put this one somewhere around here. So let me go back to my upload now so that I can upload the image that I just downloaded. So this is the image here. Then let me open it here now. So once I'm done opening the image, it's going to load, and then it's already loading here. So this is it here. Then let me pick the image here. Now, once I've picked the image, you can see the way it looks like. Did you see that it's not okay at all? There is a background there, and we need to remove this background. How do we remove it? Just click on this BG remover. So it's going to remove the background for us. Then we can now zoom it up and let it get what we want to get from this particular thing. Okay, so now that the background has been removed, you can see, then you can now, I'm going to be zooming it. Let me just highlight it here like this, make it very bigger, and then let me just put it here. Let me lower it a little. So let's assume you want to let this particular circle to be on top of this food. How are you going to be doing that? So click on that, go to this position, and then you bring it forward. Once you bring it forward or to the front, it's going to be on top of this particular food. So let me check it out. You see that now? As you can see, it's covering the food. So you can see now that it is not okay like this, the way it is covering the food. So you want to bring the food on top of that particular circle. How do you go back? Go to the position, and then you bring it forward. I'm bringing the food forward now, or you bring this circle backward, any of the two. So bring the food forward. As you can see now, that it is okay. So now that we have done this one, the next thing I want to do is just to put a little bit spicy in this particular design by going to this text. Then let me just say subheading. Then let me just say this is the best food in the world. This is the best food in the world in 2025. So now you can easily place this one in this particular center. Then what do you need to do? You can just change the write up to all this handwriting write up. So let me just look for one fine write up that I can actually use. Like let me use this one now. Is it going to be clear? It's not going to be clear. Let me use this one. I don't like this one. Let me use this one. No. Okay, so let me just use this one like that for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see this one now, then you can now include the name of the author, like the owner of the book. You can easily just put the owner here, which is Prince Arex. So Prince Arex. So you can see that now. So very simple and very quick in order for you to customize. If you want to design it by yourself, you can easily just use your creativity. And that is how you are going to do it. And once you are done doing it, you are going to just click here to download your book. And that's exactly how you can easily create your book. And if you don't want to use this one, you can just click on add new page and then go to this design, check a customized one you want to use. There are a lot of ones, the book here that you can actually use. Just put the type of book that you are writing. Let's say cookbook, then click on search. It's going to give you a lot of cookbook here that you can also pick any one of it, then you customize it directly and your book is ready. So thank you so much. If you have got one or two value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a lot of things again from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have got one or two value from this video. If you have got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because in my subsequent video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a lot of things again. Now that you know how to use a true template, you can easily customize any design by yourself using this Canva template. And if you want to design it from scratch, I'm still going to be explaining more about the elements in my subsequent video and some other things that you need to take notes of when designing on Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.